Hello, Jacob Danilick here at the NAB 2026 show with Tieline, the Codec company. Today, I'd like to share with you the Tieline Gateway and the Tieline Bridget codecs for satellite replacement options, given that the FCC is changing some satellite rules and re-auctioning some licenses. As an example here with the Tieline Gateway, I have an 8 stereo codec or 16 monos that supports options like AES67, SMPTE 2110, SMPTE 2022-7, Ravenna, Livewire Plus, optionally WheatNet IP, or optionally Dante. So we can take those audio protocols into the codec or analog or AES3. I can encode it in one of several different formats multiple times, and then we can send it out via IP to multiple receivers. The receivers in question that I would personally recommend would be like the Tieline Bridget or Bridget Extra to start out with. Those two units, one is a rack mount, one is a half RU. Both units support audio over IP in some flavor, given like the Bridget supports Ravenna, Livewire, AES67, SMPTE 2110. The Bridget Extra, in addition, supports 2022-7. So the idea here is, again, I can take like a PCM linear to affiliate 1 with logic coming from WheatNet, as an example, into an Axia Livewire plant. Or I can also encode it via Opus at 256 to conserve bandwidth for some of those sites, and still also, again, pass logic relays from, again, let's say Livewire at the head end to WheatNet IP at the receiver. If you'd like to learn more about Tieline's syndication solution, please feel free to contact us or visit us online at www.tieline.com. Talk to you soon.